Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you share a playlist in the Apple Music application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the search option. Press on it and here you can either search up a song, an artist or lyrics, or you can just browse by categories. And for example, if you select the chill one, you can see here all the musics in that category. You just press on one of these and there will also be a playlist associated with that music. You can see all the hits here in that playlist. And now if you look at the top of your right corner, there you will find three dots. Press on that and you will see here the second option, which is share playlist. Press on that as well and you can just copy the link or share in Facebook stories or Instagram stories or just share it in messages. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.